Good morning, friends. Today's topic is the physiology of the flowering. So, what is the physiology of the flowering? The physiology of flowering means the study of physiological effects, that is, the environmental effects, that is, sunlight, temperature, light, etc. So, see in details what is the physiology of the flowering. In this chapter, we are study the following concepts, that is photoperiodism, the concept, definition, classification, periodic induction, phytochrome and flowering. Phytochrome and is initiation of the flowering. Application of photoperiodism and vernalization, the concept, definition, mechanism, applications, and de-vernalization. So, what is photoperiodism? You can see in diagram. There are show in yellow color is for the light and the black color for the dark period. There are 6 diagrams, 3 diagrams for the short day plants and 3 diagrams for the long day plants. There are in first 3 diagrams for the short day plants, in which in first there are no flowers because of the central line is show the critical light length. Okay, so in first diagram the yellow color is more than black color, that is the more light period than dark period, therefore in short day plants there is no flowering. But when in second diagram, when the light period is less than dark period, there are the causes of the flowering, or the plants are the flowering. In third diagram, there are some period of light, some period of darkness, again some period of light, again some period of darkness. There are also can't be flowering. So, what is short day plant? In which plants the flowering in low period of light and more period of dark. In next 3 diagrams for the long day plants, first diagram shows the more light period in and less dark period. So it have the flowering. In second diagram, the less light period and more dark period, there are no flowering. And in third diagram, some period of light, some period of dark, again some period of light, again some period of dark, there are the flowering. So, in long day plants, when the light period is more, it is shows it have flowering. So, what is for photoperiodism? The relative length of day and night is known as photoperiod, and some plants need to exceed to the sunlight for a particular duration of time to include flowering. This is a reason behind the seasonal bloomings of the flowering. Next is the photoperiodism in the plant. There are 3 types, that is long day plants, short day plant and day neutral plants. In most angiosperm, that is flowering plants, the use of photoperiodism. There will be defined a critical duration. The critical duration is different for the different plants. In long day plants, the plants which require more exposure lights are called as long period plants. Example, radish, spinach, sugar beet, etc. Next is Short day plant. Those plants which require less exposure to light are called short day plant. For example, sunflower, rice, soybean, tobacco, etc. Next is day neutral plant. The plant in which the flowering occurs irrespective the day length and are called as day neutral plants. For example, pea plant, tomatoes, etc. Next is phytochromes. The phytochromes are the class of photoreceptor in the plants. It is the more important growth regulators or important substance in plant for the flowering. These phytochromes are see in details in next video. Thank you.